5253 Brighton Shore Dining Room, Waterfront Pool Home in Mirabay. Welcome to 5253 Brighton Shore Dining Room, a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,970 square feet. David Weekley-built Mangrove floor plan in the waterfront community of Mirabay. This single-story home features a saltwater pool and spa, a staggering 98 feet of water frontage, a private dock with a 13,000 pounds boat lift, and direct access to Tampa Bay in under 15 minutes from your backyard. This home has been well maintained with numerous recent updates, including a new salt generator for the pool, January 2025, a solar roof heater, a 400,000 BTUs gas heater, and a new pool pump, 2023. The roof was replaced in 2023. One air handler and compressor was replaced in 2023. The kitchen cabinets were professionally refinished in 2021, and a new water heater was installed in 2023. Additional upgrades include a new gas pool heater, 2022, new bathroom vanities in the secondary baths, 2022, crown molding throughout the home, 2020, plantation shutters on the front windows, and professional window treatments throughout. Rest at ease, the owners have updated the Lanai with hurricane-rated Kevlar panels to protect the rear windows and doors from storm impacts, as well as hurricane film applied to all exterior windows. Inside, the kitchen features a large island, upgraded cabinetry, ample counter space, a gas cooktop, and a cozy eat-in nook. The family room includes custom built-ins and a gas fireplace, creating a warm and inviting space. A formal dining room offers plenty of room for entertaining, while the office, complete with French glass doors, is ideal for working from home. This home also includes an additional flexible living space, providing options for a second office, formal sitting area, bar, or game room. The split-bedroom layout places the primary suite on one side of the home with direct access to the pool and spa, while the 2 additional oversized bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms are located on the opposite side. This floor plan originally had flexible bedroom options, meaning the home could easily be converted into a 4-bedroom layout if desired. The outdoor space includes a brick paver pool deck leading to the heated pool and spa, with easy access to the dock and boat lift. Located on one of Mirabay's quietest streets, this home provides a peaceful waterfront setting. Mirabay residents enjoy a clubhouse, resort-style pools, a 24-hour fitness center, a cafe, lounge, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball courts, playgrounds, and miles of walking trails. The community is golf cart friendly and offers access to kayaks, paddle boards, and multiple parks. Move-in ready with modern updates. 5253 Brighton Shore Dining Room offers the